Dear students, welcome to my channel. This channel is only for you. Today I am going to discuss exercise 1.1, question number 5. You have to use Euclid's division lemma. Question number 5. Use Euclid's division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So, first, you have to choose two integers a and 3 or 9. So write down let a and 3 be two positive integers then there exists some integers q and r such that a equal to 3q plus r, which is Euclid's division lemma. 0 less than equal to r less than here 3. That means the value of r from 0 to 2. 0, you can write 0, 1 or 2. So therefore, r equal to 0, 1, 2. Write down. When r equal to 0, you will get a equal to 3q plus 0 or you will get a equal to 3q. But here, cube of any positive integer. Write this part, I will rub. After that, write here or a cube, 3q whole cube. You can write 27q cube or you can write 9 into 3 q cube or you can write 9m where m equal to 3 q cube. According to question, you have to write your answer. In your question given, is it the form 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8? Again, when r equal to 1, a equal to 3q plus 1, cubing both sides, a cube, 3q plus 1 whole cube. Now, expand this one, 3q cube plus 3 into 3q square into 1 plus 3 into 3q into 1 square plus 1 cube. This is the formula of a plus b whole cube. 27q cube 3 into 9q square plus 9q plus 1. Now take common 9. You will get 3q cube 3q square plus q plus 1. So write down 9m plus 1 where m equal to 3q cube 3q square plus q. This m and this m is totally different. Just you have to write the form of 9m or 9m plus 1. So I have just written this one, m equal to 3q cube plus 3q square plus q. Write down. Also, when r equal to 2, a equal to 3q plus 2. r equal to 2, a equal to 3q plus 2. For now, cubing both sides, 3q plus 2 whole cube. Now expand this one, plus 3 into 3q square, 3q whole cube plus 3 into 3q whole square into 2 plus 3 into 3q into 2 square plus 2 cube. Next write down 27q cube, 3 2s are 6 into 9 q square plus 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36 q plus 8. Now take common 9. 3q cube plus 6q square plus 4q plus 8. So you can write this on 9m plus 8, where m equal to 3q cube 6q square plus 4q. So which is of the form 9m plus 8? Right down. Lastly, you have to write therefore the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. I think all of you understood my class. If you understood my class, don't forget to like, comment and share to others. And if you not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel for next class. Thank you for watching.